kind of makes you sick to your stomach.
It looks like a painting.
This is awesome. I spotted mules. I think this is like one of my favorite places I've ever been.
Yeah.
Like it's so hard to find. Like
Yeah.
if you don't know about it.
Yeah.
Like all the main points are over on that way. There's one point over here.
Welcome to Las Vegas. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until we are parked at the gate and the fasten seatbelt sign is turned off.
Good morning from our hotel in Las Vegas. We got in around midnight last night and we got here about 1 a.m. and we decided to wake up at 5 a.m. because we need to go to the Grand Canyon and we want to get there early-ish.
Good morning. Checking out. 4 hours of sleep. Thanks so much.
Have a great day.
You too. Take care.
Look at those mountains.
Look at those mountains.
And look at the palm trees. This is saying, look at there at 11:14. What? It's in a different time zone. I was like, it's not 5 hours from here. We're driving into another time zone.
Okay, well, good thing we left as early as we did.
Yeah.
We are at the Hoover Dam.
We found parking and it's so quiet.
There's not a soul here.
This is incredible. This is why people say stop at the Hoover Dam. I didn't realize it was all of this. Like it's a big event. Wow, look down, look down.
That bridge is so cool.
Look at the power lines.
Yeah, the power lines
All
are sideways.
down.
In GTA, you can fly under that bridge.
Do the power lines look like that in GTA?
No. Whoa. Yeah, you don't want to roll down there. This is a little scary because you know that if this kind of collapses, we're gonna be there.
Oh, there were some people who worked on the dam who died of, like, from the elements and the heat. They died to make the desert food. This is the official dividing line. This is the center. Over here is Arizona and Arizona time. And over here is Nevada and Nevada time.
Yeah. So now it's official. We confirmed our suspicion.
We are both at 7 o'clock and 8 o'clock right now.
Yeah. Torn
A little
apart.
bit more 7 o'clock. A little bit more 8 o'clock. And I just went back an hour in time. And I just went forward an hour in time.
Cheers, a time traveler.
That took longer to get to after we exited off the highway than I expected. I thought it was just gonna be like a little pull off, but it's not.
No. Here it is.
But we're crossing the Hoover Dam.
Hoover Dam's right there.
Whoa!
Whoa, that's cool.
Wow!
Little balancing rocks.
Okay, this is like the first town we're driving through since Vegas.
Wow, that's so cool. Look at these.
Yeah.
They're just straight up.
Yeah, these are plateaus.
Yeah.
I remember learning about these in like 4th grade.
Yeah.
I never saw them though, in real life.
No.
Just more grand views over every hill, something new to see. Look at this little plain and then just a pile of rocks right there.
There's more of this.
How in the world does that happen? 80 miles to go. Oh, and look at this town. Route 66, Williams, Arizona. Ooh. We are 10 miles out.
Park entrance 5 miles.
Wow, this just came out of nowhere.
Yeah, a little town.
Begin tourist hub. 12:30. This is the line for the gate.
Hi, we have a national parks pass? Yes. Thank you so much. You too.
Okay, so we just parked our car, and then Alex is over here checking out the view. So the crazy thing is, you see the rocks behind him, that looks real, right? And then as you look out, it like turns into a painting backdrop. But like this stuff right here looks all like normal, and like this stuff over here looks all like normal, but like that stuff back there, it just looks like a painting. I want to watch him. Wow.
That's crazy.
That's something. Just holding on here just in case.
Yeah.
There's like so many amazing views.
It blows my mind that there's no like fence. There's like a little tiny metal fence over there, but like look, you could literally walk off if you'd like. You just go around the perimeter of it.
Yeah, it's great.
So we're about to go on a little hike. What's it called, Sarah?
I don't know how to pronounce it. I would say it's the K-Bob Trail.
A K-Bob trail.
K-I-B-A-B. Hoover Point is 1.8 miles. Skeleton Point is 6 miles. There and back.
There and
And
back.
then I think you can eventually go all the way down.
Let's go as far as we can. Could you see why it's called Hoover Point?
It really does. Like, I thought the views wouldn't be as spectacular from like down inside, but it is like amazing. I spotted a mule.
Hey! You be scared? Holy smoke!
You know what? I think we did this right. We started in the middle of the day, and the day is going to cool down as we do the harder part up.
Yeah.
Where other people start earlier in the day, they're hiking down in the cool, and then in the heat of the midday sun, they're hiking up, which is like already.
I wonder if there's an echo. Echo! Oh! Nothing. You know why? It's too fast. That's nuts. All right, let's keep going. We're almost to viewpoint number 2.
So I think we made it to our end point for today. I think it was about 2 miles down we made it to Cedar Point. There's like a shelf that extends into the Grand Canyon, so we walked out onto that. And from here you have 360-degree views of the canyon because you're literally able to walk out practically into the middle of it.
All right, so we're heading back to our car, back up. So the walk back actually isn't all that bad. Oh, look at these cacti. Oh boy, there's the wind.
It's a little dusty when the wind blows real hard.
Mule pee. Don't step in that. Oh, wait, don't hop on me. We're almost back. We made it back to our first switchback section, which was literally the first thing that we did on this hike.
But I'm looking at it now and it's literally a wall straight up.
It looks absolutely awful.
Oh man.
People have to climb it to the top.
And then we're done.
Well, not really. We parked really far.
Well, because we didn't take the shuttle. You can't park at the Kai Bob trailhead. Yay! 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 Yay!
We did it. So it's sunset. Where are we? Mather's Point.
But we did that perfectly. Like, this side is the better side to see sunset on just because of where the sun is setting. Like, if we were over there to see sunset, it would all be shadow.
I wanted to show you exactly where we went. So, we started off somewhere in this area, up top. Hiked down. That is the path we were on. And we made it to this plateau. And we walked out to right there. There's cold.
It really cooled down.
It did. You can see why this draws the crowd. You can see both sides.
Wow. This is the end of our day in the Grand Canyon. Ending it with a beautiful sunset.
We liked it a lot.
Yes, we did. Such a vast expanse of rolling mountains, desert, aridness.
It's literally a path that goes like along the rim.
Yeah, that's why it's called the Rim Trail.
Ah, this is wonderful. Like, look, a tiny little stone. I could just plop my behind on it and like look out with my wife. Hi, wife. She's nice, I promise.
Going up a hill. Going up the hill. Alex, guess what?
What?
We're at the Grand Canyon National Park.
Wow.